Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we are listening to Taylor Swift. She will tell you about her lovely family.
Hi everyone. My name is Taylor. And today, I want to tell you about my lovely family. My family is small, but it is full of love, full of laughter, and full of care. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. We live in a small house near the city park. Every day in our home starts with a smile, and sometimes a little noise. My mother wakes up first. She wakes up at 6 o'clock. She goes to the kitchen. The smell of coffee fills the house. My father wakes up next. He checks the news on his phone. He gets ready for work. I wake up at 6:30. I stretch. I brush my teeth. I open my window. The air feels fresh. I can hear birds singing. My brother Austin wakes up last. He is 10 years old. He is very funny. Every morning, my mum says, "Austin, wake up or you'll miss the bus." And Austin says, "5 more minutes, please." At 7 o'clock, we eat breakfast. We eat bread and eggs. We eat fruit. My father drinks coffee. I drink milk. Austin talks a lot. He tells funny stories. My father laughs. He almost spills his coffee. Before work, my father says, "Study well, Taylor. Be kind. That's more important than being smart." Those words always make me smile. After breakfast, I go to my studio. My mother goes to school. She is a teacher. Austin takes the school bus. My father goes to the office. During the day, we are busy. But we send messages. In our family chat. Sometimes a heart emoji. Sometimes a photo of lunch. At 6 o'clock, we are home again. My mother cooks dinner. My father helps Austin with homework. I sit in the kitchen. I talk to Mum while she cooks. It smells so good. It feels warm and happy. After dinner, we sit together. We watch a movie. Or listen to music. Austin dances. My father laughs. My mother smiles. I look at them and think, this is happiness. At 9:30, my father reads a book. My mother makes tea. Austin and I brush our teeth. We say goodnight. Before sleeping, Mum says, "Family is love. Remember that." When I close my eyes, I feel safe. I feel thankful. My family is my favourite part of life. Family is not just people. It's the feeling of home.
That was Taylor's story. Now it's your turn. Can you talk about your family? Start with, there are 4 people in my family. And tell us what makes your family special.